Hi, this is Jeremy Bradshaw from MarineMax in Venice. This is one of our brand new 320 Vantages from Boston Whaler. So what we're going to do, we're going to kind of go through the boat. I'm going to point out some of the options on this particular model. As you can see, we've got our color gel coat here. We call that Platinum, and she has the big 350 Verados. These engines work with each other or against each other for the joystick docking, which we'll get into in just a little bit. Underwater lights, and standard on the boat is also your dive door. So let's go ahead and jump inside. The 32 is by far our best-selling dual console in this particular price range because it's like the ultimate sport utility. You can fish the boat, you can dive the boat. It has a tremendous amount of room for larger families. Has the seating in the back right here, which is pretty cool. If you want some additional seating, great. And if you don't, she just rolls up out of the way. And these opposing seats here, you can make it into a lounger if you'd like to. You do have storage underneath both of them. This also swivels back and forth. So if we're doing some entertaining or having lunch or dinner, drinks, whatever, it works out really well. This one also has your nice wet bar right here with your refrigerator. This is the dive door we talked about right here. And this is kind of nice too, depending on where you keep the boat. Maybe a little easier to get on and off the boat right here. She does have the aft shade, so this goes back approximately 9 feet. So if you want some additional shade while you're out, that is very, very handy. She also has the full curtain enclosure. It's actually not up right now, but she does have it. And on our starboard side, this is going to be our enclosed head right here. Dockside discharge and overboard discharge. This is our berth area right here, so if you did want to take a nap or something, great. And if not, you can use it for storage. Huge bow area. So this is a nice wide boat, handles extremely well in rougher water, and very easy to maintain. So to recap, 2018 Boston Whaler. Hold on just a second, I did want to hit real quick on your joystick. I apologize. Digital throttle and shift, plenty of room here on the dash for whatever electronics you want to add to the boat. So again, recap, 2018 Boston Whaler 320 Vantage, located at MarineMax in Venice. If you'd like some additional information on the boat, feel free to give us a call. Again, my name's Jeremy Bradshaw. Phone number here is 941-485-3388. Thanks for taking the time. We hope to talk to you soon. Bye-bye.